let's start with
Miss USA.
Okay, candidate number 13, Miss USA.
Number 13. This is number 13.
USA. All right?
Pick an envelope.
And give it to Poca.
This is candidate number 13. And here is your question.
Miss USA.
Okay. Do you think you can make an impact to the society? And how? Do you think you can make an impact to the society? And how?
Good evening, everybody. I think I could make a huge impact in our society today. Being a gay Filipino American and joining my first pageant, Miss Macho Gay, I think that being out there and showing people what I can do, you know, my national costume, my evening gown, I made everything until 1 o'clock last night. And, you know, I just want to inspire people and our society to do whatever they can with all their hard work. You know, they can achieve success. And I hope to inspire everybody. And thank you.
Thank you, Miss USA!
Miss USA, candidate number 13.
Now let's call candidate number 2.
Miss Costa Rica. Hola, amiga.
Congratulations. Pick an envelope. Give it to Vibra, please.
Okay, Miss Costa Rica, here's your question. Oh. If it was possible to take one thing along with you after your death, what would it be and why?
Again?
If it was possible to take one thing along with you after your death, what would it be and why?
Thank you for that. To be in a personal note, if I were to take something, I would take a picture of my dad. Coming out at a young age, it was very difficult. Him standing by my side and defending me, I would not be here. Despite he's gone, his words of kindness, him teaching me, he made a change in my life. And with that, having him in my heart, he would be the person that I would take with me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Costa Rica.
Yes. Good. Who would you take with you when you die?
I'll take you with
Ay,
me.
busy ako. May karatula. I'm busy.
Come on! It's beautiful there.
No.
It's eternal happiness.
I will go to the grocery, busy.
Okay,
Now
we have
Miss Philippines. This is candidate
number
number
7.
Number
Number
7.
7. Okay, Miss Philippines.
Okay, Miss Philippines. Oh. Ooh. The question is, when did you first realize that you were beautiful? Again, when did you first realize that you were beautiful?
I've always realized that I'm beautiful because I know that I'm not just beautiful outside. I have a good heart, a pure character, pure soul, and that transcends out from within. And I know having a pure heart and pure character makes me a real person. Thank you.
Yeah!
Thank you, Miss Philippines.
What makes you beautiful?
One Direction.
Ulul. Now, let's call Spain. This is candidate number 11.
Okay, Miss Payne.
Pick an envelope.
Oops.
Give it to your co-candidate. Okay. So your question is,
Oh, there's a very interesting question for you, Miss Payne. If you are not here, where do you think you would be?
again, it's a very tricky question. Again,
If you are not here, where do you think you would be?
That's rather a simple question.
shh, everyone.
If I weren't here today, that's simple. I would be doing charity work for the community that I love, which is the LGBT community, along with the allied community. I've dedicated myself into helping young kids, teenagers, and even adults to be comfortable about themselves, to be comfortable about their sexual orientation, no matter what they are, no matter how they look. And that's what I'll be doing if I were here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Payne. Gracias. Gracias, amiga. Ang tatawag sa mga.
Thank you.
How about you, Polka? If you are not here, if you are not here,
Yes?
where do you think you would be?
Oh, sleeping.
Sleeping. Not caring?
No, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
Yes. And now, please welcome candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3 is Miss Ecuador. Miss Ecuador.
Pick an envelope.
And give it to Puka.
Your question is, in your view, what is the biggest problem facing our educational system today? And what can be done about it? We needed to really ask that question because our sponsor, one of our major sponsors, is Downey Adult School, who is giving the winners, Mr. and Miss Machugay, an educational scholarship. Applause for Downey Adult School. Again, the winner for Mr. and Miss Machugay will receive an educational scholarship courtesy of Downey Adult School.
Good evening, everyone. I think the biggest problem in our society today is bullying.
Okay, wait. Okay, my dear.
I think the problem that we're facing nowadays is bullying in every country.
What can you say about education nowadays?
In the Philippines, we know everyone that it's only grade up to 6.
Yes, exactly. Whether you're here or let's say if you're more comfortable, like when you're in the Philippines, okay, let's just say, what can you say about the educational system back in the Philippines?
In the Philippines, I think there's more advantage.
Again, I'd like to remind everyone, you can speak in our native tongue and it will not affect your scores whatsoever, okay? It will not affect your scores whatsoever. The most important thing is you have the thought there. Go girl. We're here with you, right? Ano sa tingin mo ang problema ngayon sa ating edukasyon? Mapapilipinas naman, or halimbawa, mas alam mo ang sistema dito sa Amerika, or mas alam mo ang sistema sa Pilipinas, you, being a Filipino yourself, ano sa tingin mo ang problema ngayon sa edukasyon sa atin?
Ang problema ngayon sa atin sa edukasyon, sa tulad na lang sa Pilipinas, ay ang mga batang hindi nakakapag-aral.
Tama?
Dahil ang mga magulang nila ay pinagtatrabaho sila, kahit sila ay maliliit pa. Makikita niyo sila kahit saan, nagbebenta ng kahit anong bulaklak, nagbebenta ng kahit ano. Subalit natapwat pa, dapat sila ay nasa eskwelahan at sinusuportahan sila ng magulang nila. Kaya masasabi ko ngayon sa ating mga magulang, hayaan natin ang ating mga anak na mag-aral at magkaroon ng isang magandang edukasyon sa buhay nila para sa kanilang future. Dahil naniniwala ako ng ating mga anak, kaming mga anak, kami rin ang tutulong sa ating mga magulang pagdating ng panahon. Salamat.
Thank you!
Very well said.
Thank you very much! Mr. Colin, oh yeah!
Very well said. Well, that is a difficult question.
Yeah, I agree.
Most especially like me. Hanggang grade 2 lang ako, namatay pa teacher ko. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for our first batch. They all answered very well. Thank you, ladies.
There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good job, first batch.
Good job.
Good job, girl. And now,
Our second batch.
our second batch. Second batch.
Second batch. There. Okay, so we'll start with you, Miss
Miss-
Thailand, candidate number 12.
Thailand.
Miss Thailand.
Oh, before anything else, you want to say something? Oh, go ahead, Miss Thailand.
Before anything else, to the one who potty mounted my friend, my co-candidate, I swear to God, you don't know what we are undergoing right now. It takes a good man to become a woman. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm very sorry.
That's how we are here. We always support one another.
This is really a very, friendly competition.
Yes.
You're all friends back there.
Yes, okay.
Correct.
Miss
Miss
Thailand,
Thailand.
go ahead. Okay. Oh, you want to read it first? So you'll be more comfortable? Okay. Your question is, what bothers you the most about what is happening in the world today? Again, what bothers you the most about what is happening in the world today?
I think I already answered that question. I think the discrimination is a lot to handle. And I think what we lose sometimes is empathy. Sometimes we just judge the person, we say a lot of bad things. We try to not to feel what they want to feel, what they feel inside, and we just forget the whole essence of being human. So I think what I can't stand the most is discrimination, especially to us homosexuals. So in that manner, all I could say that for every problem like that, there is a solution, and if you're not part of the solution, you're definitely part of the problem. Sorry, thank you.
Yes!
Africa.
Miss Thailand! And now, let's call Miss Peru.
Yeah, candidate number 6,
Number
Miss Peru.
6. Number 6. Pick an envelope. Give it to Vivera. You have a lot of supporters too.
Okay, here's your question, Miss Peru. Which word do you not like to hear at all? And why? Which word do you not like to hear at all, and why?
Do you want me to translate it? Okay, good.
I believe I can generalize that by saying that words that I don't like to hear is cursing.
Cursing. Okay.
It is precisely because it creates fight amongst people. And with all these crazy things that's going in the world right now, what we have to do is like love each other and support each other and respect each other regardless of our differences. And we also have to always keep in our mind that whatever we do to others, they can do it to us as well. So we might as well give back to the world what we want to give. We give back to the world what we want to get back. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Peru.
Thank you!
Now let's call Miss South Africa. Ito, sa ang tanaw, ha?
Ay, Bisaya ba yun sa South Africa? Bakit binibisaya mo? Taga South Africa siya.
Bisaya kasi si South Africa. Doon pinanganak sa Bisaya, doon lumaki sa South Africa. Okay.
Okay.
Miss South,
Okay.
your question is... Ooh. Ooh. The question is, what intimidates you? Again, what intimidates you?
The words that always intimidates me, even when I was young, when they called me gay or bakla in the Philippines. Because I know to myself that I'm an educated person and I shouldn't be called as a gay. Because I believe that as a human being or as a being gay person, we deserve to be loved, respect, and have a great love from among of you. I think that would be all. Thank you.
Yes! South Africa! Daghang salamat, day! Very
Ang
beautiful.
gulo. South Africa, mas Bisaya.
The lady in
Salamat,
red.
Thank you, Miss South
And-
Africa. And
and
now, of
now-
course, we have candidate number 5, Miss Mexico. Mexico.
Yes, Miss Mexico.
Okay, Miss Mexico. Okay, here's your question. If you could be on a cover of a magazine, which would you choose and why? Again, if you could be on a cover of a magazine, which would you choose and why?
Thank you very much. That's a very interesting question. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Board of Judges. If I will be given the chance to choose one of the magazines to be the cover, I would choose the Rolling Stone. Because I want to be
The Rolling Stone.
the Rolling Stone. Yes, I want to be the first transgender cover of the Rolling Stone. Because, ladies and gentlemen, I want to promote to everyone that being gay doesn't mean that we are less as a person. Yes, we gave up our masculinity, but not our dignity. Because being gay in society should never diminish our humanity. The only reason for living is to love and to be loved, to contribute and to be prosperous. Thank you.
Miss Mexico. Wow. Alright. O ikaw, anong magazine? Ikaw, anong magazine?
Ano?
Anong magazine ka?
National Geographic. And now, please welcome for the 4th time, Puerto Rico!
Oh, it's nice to see you again!
Take an envelope.
Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Okay. Congratulations.
Oh, Miss Puerto Rico. Your question is, what 3 characteristics are a must for a Miss Macho Gay? Again, what 3 characteristics are a must for a Miss Macho Gay?
That's a very good question. And I hope I can answer that question. For a Miss Macho Gay, I think the 3 characteristics that Miss Macho Gay will have is number 1, be respectful to everyone. Number 2, wait a minute.
Okay, take your time.
Relax.
Just make sure you finish within this week, okay?
Yes, I'll try my best. The second one is to be kind, not just for yourself, and to everyone too, and especially your parents. Number 3, this is my 4th time, maybe this is my last time.
Wait,
So bear with me.
no, that's what you said also the last time. And the last?
And I think the best and to have a character for the Miss Macho Gay is to have faith in God.
Wala namang luho.
No, because it's really important that we have faith in God. I just want to share you something because last month ago, my mom just knew that I'm just a cross-dresser. They knew that I'm gay, but they don't have the courage to ask me if I'm gay or if I'm straight. But my mom called me and then she said she saw everything in the picture. So I was like, okay. Now I know the meaning of speechless. Then after that, I texted my mom and I told my mom, you know what, Mom, I know you knew already, but I don't have the courage to tell you that I'm gay. But you know what? Being gay is... there's nothing wrong with being gay. For me, as a host, as a host in Noy Pits in Glendale, I am very lucky that I have the talent, the voice, and the beauty that I can show other people. That's why I'm telling you guys, you have to have faith in God, because only God will love you back. Thank you so much.
There you have it, our top 10. That completes our top 10. Give it up for our last band. Yeah! Exit, ladies. Get ready. Yes. They all answered really well.
Yes!
Guys, palakpakan niyo naman lahat. Hindi po biro ang nandito at sumagot ng mga ganun.
Exactly. Yun talaga nakakatakot eh. Question and answer.
Yun talaga, no?
Correct.
Oo.